Do the right thing. Sunset is here. Famous Yogic is looking a little bit negatively.
Oh, it closed an hour and a half ago. Sunday they close at 7.
We have to check because this one is called the shop right and we have to do the right thing.
Just look, it says Sunday 8. Oh! 7, yeah, 7. The pharmacy closes at 4.
Oh,
Yeah, we're a little late. This is a great grocery store, by the way. This is a great supermarket.
We're in Bayram today. In Bayram, New Jersey, it's a big parking lot with a lot of shopping facilities.
The only option is Acme.
You only have one choice, the Acme store.
Acme's.
Or Mickey D. Mickey D is over there, you see Mickey D?
No, I hate McDonald's.
Oh, you hate McDonald's? I'm loving it.
Do you want me to buy something?
No.
Yeah, it's fine. Угощу тебя чем, если хочешь. I genuinely don't like that food.
I want the Big Mac.
Do you?
No, I'm just
Let's
messing.
get one for you.
Messing with you.
It's better to prepare something
Look
like
at
more
this.
or less healthy.
Look at this thing here. We have romantical music copyrighted by YouTube. And we take you with us.
Wait, you are showing my vent, or you don't care?
I was showing the blue sky. Yes, this is the blue sky.
And my vent.
Yes, your vent is important because we cannot breathe without the vent. You can sing along.
I don't know the lyrics.
It's French.
I don't know much French. I know some French. Belts. Enchanté.
Enchanté, voulez-vous coucher avec moi? C'est sur moi. You know some songs, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Everybody knows this song.
let's sing it. Ta French chanson. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi? You know what is s'asseoir? You know what is s'asseoir? Say of course, but of course, yes.
Sure.
Sure. Okay, we got the power now. I have connected the power.
This brightness of the clouds is a little lost on your.
Yes, this is not iPhone 14, 17 Pro, S3, Z,
But,
6, 7, 10.
No, 14 is not the last, the
Oh.
latest. It's 15, I think.
Ah, 15, your phone 17 Pro versus my Android, it's no match. This is Google Pixel. Looking at the pixels with the precision of a scientist. Come on, I need the good song to come.
Or do you want me to rewind a little?
Yeah, rewind. The song is good too, but it's too sweet. No.
The playlist is almost over.
Yeah. This is not. Let's see if this is good.
This is early 2000s. Really.
Yes, that's where I was born.
You wish.
we are leaving Byram in New Jersey. Just for your information.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's the song. That is start.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Found it?
This was the song that I was.
Someone's blinking at you.
Shut up.
It's 50 miles per hour. We're going 30
Dear
miles.
friends,
Okay, now listen to the song.
welcome to the beach at Cafe Del Mar, here on the magic island of Ibiza. It has been a long time ago since the salty air of this beautiful place was filled with love, peace, and music for the first time. And now we are very proud and happy to celebrate together with you the 25th anniversary. May love, peace, and music be the message and the messengers through all times, in all countries, for all cultures. Enjoy this warm and
25th
cozy night.
anniversary.
The stars and the moon outside. The smell of the sea is the smell of joy. The sound of the waves is the sound of freedom. And the touch of the warm sand is the touch of coziness.
It's good.
Now you can drive slower. It's like 40 miles. They can blink as much as they want. We'll go by the roads.
Verona Farms.
It's a nice song.
The only way is just to live the moment,
Oh, the car.
not to be in thoughts about the past. Or to be worried about the future. Just stop thinking right now. Ease yourself. Lighten your heart.
It's nice.
Open your mind to experience
And the
true
clouds lost their color.
love is the key. Love is the answer.
Well, thank you so much, people. I hope YouTube will not block this beautiful song coming from the channel.
But you started looking for this song last week.
Yes,
And you finally found it.
I finally came. That's a very good selection.
Yeah, I agree. Now the lake.
Aeroflex.
Right.
It always seems.
And this Aeroflex lake.
Aeroflex, he was there with this guy. Remember the guy that taught us how the fish?
No, that was canister.
Ah, right. Aeroflex was something else.
We've never been to that Aeroflex.
We
We should
was
go
there.
next time.
He was there. He
Oh,
was
word.
there. I remember Aeroflex was in our playlist somewhere.
Oh, a deer. We should go slower.
We should televise how we're gonna hit the deer and how the deer will become stew.
No.
This great mystery, live to find the key. This is the path
Skip the song.
of destiny. Love is the gift she is
That's quite a little bit. Oh, okay. This is a better one.
So now the deer. Should be careful there eating on the sidewalks. Mulch.
It's not working. It's abandoned mulch.
It is. There's no cars. It's just us. Well, there's a car behind us, but it just appeared. Some kind of plant. Factory, what was this? Yeah. It's hidden. There's a big plant behind us. See?
Yes. Wow. The dirty jersey is no more dirty jersey. The
Yeah.
plants are out. They're
Yeah,
now,
they're abandoned.
they moved to China.
We're gonna be turning here.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so pretty, and the sky is still kind of pink on that side.
Oh, the gel works so good. It's still
The ice
works.
cream?
The
Of
ice
course, people used to spray water and sugar on their hair, like girls. If they didn't have hairspray, just water and sugar, sugary water will keep your curls and everything.
Yeah, good idea.
But the ощущение, the feeling of it is very like very unpleasant.
No, it's good. It's like a jelly hair.
I don't like the sensation of any hair products in my hair.
No.
You know, it just I'm not used to it.
Stop and move.
Right. It's already getting dark. Do you need to pause the video? I don't care.
Oh no, it's good video. It's good. We are driving through the night, moving forward in life. We are doing good things.
Right.
Next,
We don't really have night. Oh, okay. I think the playlist is.
the playlist is
Done.
over.
We can re-listen it, or we can find another year.
DJ Yozik in the house. Now, DJ Yozik, you can choose a song that will not be copyrighted for YouTube,
Oh, good luck.
like Serioja song.
It is copyrighted.
Oh, really?
Of course. Yeah. Of course. I think all this playlist that we would just listen to will be muted.
We'll try. If they mute me, I'm gonna move to another platform.
Right.
Only if they dare to mute my music in YouTube.
Yeah, they're gonna lose you.
They're gonna lose me forever. I will move all these 4,760,000 subscribers into another platform, and that would be bad for YouTube. Not for me.
Very true. Very true. Let me try some copyright-free lounge music,
Yes.
and we'll see if I have enough internet here.
Oh.
Okay, we can start.
Who cleans this best? Tide. Get 3 times the cleaning power when you switch to Tide.
Get QuickBooks Solopreneur for $1 per month.
And
from
of
Mobile
course, we
Link.
have a
Sign
bunch
up
of
today.
ads.
Why the ads are not copyrighted? Good question. This is Vava or Wawa?
Oh, Baba.
Vava. I think this is the place that we met this Russian guy over there working in there.
Maybe.
It is the place, the same gas station.
It's almost 9 and we still have sunset on our left-hand side.
Yes.
Still.
Remember this gas station that I told you is out of business here?
Yep, I do.
Now you remember, huh?
Yeah, because I was driving.
We were here once. That's all I'm saying.
Easier to remember if you drive somewhere. If you're just the passenger, you will just, enjoy the sky, plants, and stuff like this.
I remember everything,
Good for you.
whether I'm driving or not.
Whoa. So crazy.
Because when I drive, I also look around. What is it?
Sunset was so beautiful, right above the mountain, and it was like crimson.
Crimson?
It was so
Crimsicle?
bright and
Crimsicle.
like dark red.
Dark red. Blood. Look at that on the right.
It's so nice. It's totally abandoned and overgrown. We should make a research and claim a couple of farms and, ask the local authorities, can we develop these farms? Can you give it to us for like 50 years or so?
Good idea, yes, good idea.
We'll buy hands and horses, and you'll be doing all the work, and I'll be cooking for us. And
I
cleaning
don't
the
want to do the
house.
work.
No, but it will be like this kind of family, We're not gonna work for any organizations.
Oh,
I'll be cooking the
the produce that I
the
will
produce
produce.
that you would produce as a man, because you'll be working on the
Good idea.
field
Good idea.
with
I
other
like
workers, with your helpers, and I'll be taking care of the house. We'll have one more kid.
17 kids. We need 17 kids.
No, I'm too old for that. But one more I can give you.
We need more kids to put them on the plantation.
No, one more.
I need to exploit them.
And then we'll just live
Die.
this simple, plain life. No, I die.
And then we're gonna die. After all this is finished, we die. It's just one of those things. You cannot escape it.
Тебе не будет удобнее, если ты будешь high beams использовать?
High beams, low beams. I don't know. What are these? High beams, low beams.
From you, по-моему.
I don't need them.
It's barely any visibility.
Alright, let's see how they work.
Oh, do you have them on? High beams, I think. Yeah.
Super high beams. No, these are the high beams. Like this. No, these are the low beams. High, low.
You're gonna blind a person in front.
What happened with this Russian disco?
I don't know if it's a Russian disco. It's just there's no
Eurobeat.
sound.
Eurobeat trash.
This is like for fashion shows, background music.
Yeah.
When you walk like toom, toom, toom. And it's copyright free.
Ah,
We can listen to it without being afraid of
I'm not afraid.
of the
I just
of possibility to be banned. Someone just put the furniture they don't need
oh,
on the side.
is it the leather couch?
No. There was some like what do you call it?
What we are looking for right now?
You were looking for how can you describe it? Drawers.
Drawers?
Yeah, you were looking for some table with drawers. So
Oh, I
you-
need shelves. I'm looking
so
for
you,
shelves.
So you can put your printer on something
Oh yeah.
more
yeah.
beautiful than it's currently.
Nah,
standing
I
on.
quit on that. Now I need big shelves, a lot, thousands of them, like
Where do you plan to install them?
in the garage.
What garage?
And it's the garage that I have in that over there, outside. The truck, where the truck is.
Нет, где ты там поставишь?
Yes, I have space, a lot of space. Just have to put the shelves to organize the items, so-called garbage, the garbage. I have to organize. I have like bunch of garbage to organize.
Yeah. Это правда.
For some of that garbage, I pay thousands of dollars.
I know.
So it has to be organized. This is not good for the environment.
Точно. You like to store a lot of things for some reason.
Because they are useful.
Look, these are the best
You
music
don't
videos.
understand
You should check out
the
our
usefulness of those things.
Everything looks so.
RB Plaza here, yes, RB Plaza is like the Volkswagen.
Everything looks so lonely here.
Yes, it is lonely.
If there's a diner or a store or anything, it's like it looks so lonely. It's just that store, and the rest is like woods, abandoned houses.
Yes, it's a lonely place. There are no people, which is good.
Yeah, I was about to say that's the original flavor of the planet. What way are we going through? Are we going through Acme
Yes.
or from that other side?
The butcher grill. The butcher's grill is the butcher's grill. We always go through Acme, no matter which way we come.
No, there's another way.
There's no other way.
Georgian. You come from that side where the Georgian is.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah, we come from Georgia.
не доезжая до Georgian, there's a gas station.
That's
The way
right.
how we went today, we turned left,
Mhm.
right? Where was it left? Yeah. It wasn't right.
It's always right.
No,
here.
it wasn't towards the city. It was north.
We don't know. North, left, right,
I know
up and
north,
down.
I know left, I know right. You don't.
I think you confuse all these words. No,
Why people keep them out so late? The cows.
that was not cows. That
What
was
that? Horses?
the rolls of the.
Wow, you're driving and you actually saw it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I thought it was like big cows.
My vision is
Crazy.
big.
Crazy.
No.
Okay.
First of all, they was too big to be.
Yeah, we're not going through Acme.
Don't worry, we'll get there.
And all these roads, they look unfamiliar. So I'm just wondering if I put the correct address. Because it looks like we're 10 minutes away, but I don't know this.
Yes,
You
we're
do?
very close. Yeah,
You recognize it?
of course. The GPS in my head is working. Because it's dark, that's why. You cannot orientate yourself in the dark. If it's a daytime, you will see more.
Oh, this is the resort, Crystal Spring, right? Oh, yeah. So we're not going through Acme, right? Oh, no, it's not. It wasn't the resort. It was something else.
Doesn't matter.
I don't recognize it. I don't know.
No, you don't have to worry about that.
7-Eleven. Oh, we're going through Hamburg. I don't know. I just see 7-Eleven ahead of us. Great beginnings. Yeah, that thing looks familiar. Great beginnings. Look at these mountains. Unfortunately,
That's our mountain.
yeah, your camera cannot capture all this like
The camera captures everything.
navy blue. Or maybe it does. No, I don't think it does. I like when somebody's driving. Hamburg, I was right. We're going to
Hamburger. Hamburger. No, hamburger.
I would like
Sure.
to buy a hamburger.
I would like to buy a hamburger. I would like to buy a hamburger.
This is our favorite antique shop.
Yeah, I should return the couch in here. The couch is still in the storage.
Which couch?
It's a shoeless couch.
Oh, and the one side is right next to our house still.
That is good.
Dawn Power Wash has 3 cleaning boosters not found in traditional dish soaps. It's more than soap.
little
It's
bit
Power
of-
Wash.
Ads.
Why they don't do the advertisement for the new product that is on the market today?
Which product?
The plus. No. It's very difficult to remember this product.
Which product? Usually?
Plantex?
Oh, Plantwix.
Plantwix.
Yeah, the planters and the twigs.
Plantwix. better than the Twix. And the Planters.
Right.
It's a combination. It's better.
Right.
It's a new kid on the block. They just had sex and then they created the new kid on the block that will take over the food industry. Planters. A new beginning.
Right.
Planters.
Oh,
Why deal with anything else?
I'm in this kind of vacation mode.
Oh,
I feel like I want to go to Vermont. I want to just spend maybe a week there to visit these little towns, to fry barbecue in some big log house,
good idea.
to swim a little bit in the lake. You know, I feel like this now. I don't feel like I want to wake up tomorrow and start my work at 9.
9 to 5, 5 to 9.
Which is not bad, but it's just summer.
Yes, summer we should take off.
Yeah, I really miss my summer recess, summer vacation from my school, when you practically had all your summer for yourself.
Oh, they are still here. Look at that.
It was yesterday. We
Wow,
were
I should-
driving by and we saw a lot of people, just like last year.
What time? What time do you drive by?
Oh, 7?
Yeah, by
Around
6.
7.
By 6 o'clock, I was hesitating to come here.
Ah, no. They usually...
Opa, did you see it?
Yeah, poor little deer.
I think we should take one.
It's what's going on inside of me.
We'll buy
It's
some
what
meat in
moderates the
Ukraine.
atmosphere.
No, we should take one deer and like have a meet for the next 1 month.
Oh, we'll have to drive extra 10 minutes to Buckby.
Yes.
Tired?
For me,
Are you tired?
I'm not tired.
You are tireless. Viking
Viking.
of my soul.
That is correct. All I need is the haircut.
Yes, do you love me?
Yes. Isn't that obvious?
I don't know.
No.
Maybe you're just used to me.
Probably.
Yoshik,
That's good.
what is good in that?
Huh?
To be used to someone. I need you to love me.
I love you. I love you.
It's like romantically.
Very romantically, I love you. Very
Are you
romantically.
jealous?
I'm jealous?
No, are you jealous?
No.
Like never? Recently?
No.
Yoshik.
How can
That's not good. Like a little bit, slightly.
I'm above jealousy, okay?
No, Yoshik,
I
honestly.
don't let jealousy in my heart.
Yeah, you do. You're jealous.
Okay, I'm jealous. Whatever you like to hear. How can I be jealous?
Yoshik, like other men and stuff like that.
Justify that jealousy.
It's not justifiable. It's just like you love person so much that, you know, it doesn't feel right when other men want this person too, or other women.
Yes.
It's unpleasant. That's what I call jealousy, not crazy thing. Where have you been?
No.
Why are you 5 minutes later than you promised? No, that's craziness. That's like sick people. I mean, this kind of jealousy, like
Yes.
like you feel uncomfortable.
No,
Yoshik,
I'm not jealous.
Yoshik,
Yes.
it means that you don't love me.
No, I love you.
You
It
don't.
just means that I'm so much above these other men that they cannot even. How can I?
No, this is sick too. Sick people, only sick people can think like that. Oh,
Oh.
he will never ever find anyone like
Of
me.
course she will find. Of course. We know.
Or he, she, they.
Yes, they will never find such a great person like me.
Yeah, look at me.
No, look at me.
He's gonna find someone ugly and fat.
Yes.
Oh, she'll find a loser, a beta male, orbiter. And all this is just, it's not right.
Yes.
Because,
I'm very jealous.
are you?
Yes.
Good. So Shula will be worried about us.
Yes,
We usually come earlier.
I
We
don't
see-
think so. She has never worried about us.
She's.
No, she's not.
Okay, don't forget that we're going to Acme, okay?
Yes, of course, we're going to Acme. Acme! Wait, don't close. We can't. Точно, я туда.
You're still recording and there's nothing. It's just dark.
Oh, this is the beauty of my channel.
Okay.
Because like these videos are there like so great that we don't have to do it, just have to record. We are wasting YouTube server space to the max. They keep telling me, you don't have space, buy more terabytes, buy more. Yesterday I was looking at the options and I say, I'm gonna buy 2 terabytes for $30 or something. Then I thought to myself, nah.
It would be nice to buy it at once. Like, hey, pay $30 and this, whatever, how many terabytes are yours.
Yes,
But they want you on this monthly subscription, even if it's like $3 or $4. Still,
they want
Like, come
forever
on.
to squeeze your soul.
yeah.
Evil corporations.
I don't like this like monthly payments. It's just pay once and forget about it.
Yes,
When it comes to car, house, everything pretty much.
yes. The Matrix does not let you do that, right?
No, they want you to be hooked.
No, they don't want it to be
They want you to be hooked, so you are
not hooked. Hooked forever.
hooked forever. So you are an obedient slave, and you go to your work because if you don't go to your work, you won't be able to do monthly payments for your car or for your mortgage. And imagine if you own house and own car,
Yes,
own you many cars, they
Yes.
can control you.
yes. They can. I resist the slave mind.
If you're a creator, listen up. This is the greatest all-in-one platform. I'm telling you, our list is gonna change.
Oh, I'm a creator, I'm listening.
It's an
Oh,
all-
sorry, I skipped it. I
Oh,
really
I
like
wanted
that.
to listen. The
Okay.
creator.
It's called artist.io.
Oh, I know about this already.
Some kind of application.
Yeah, just go.
Disregard. It's
Skip. Skip.
old stuff. And I don't feel tired because I wasn't driving.
That's right.
But driving is a little tiring, I must say.
Ah.
Are you tired?
No.
Scared to drive?
I'm driving very well.
Немножечко устала?
No.
Это не смотри.
Huh?
Тебя отвлекает. Я очень устал, потому что ты должен был водить.
Of course not. I do it every day like
Yeah, and that's why it's even more tiring when you have to do it on Sunday.
I have to do it every day. We have to train ourselves.
But Sunday you're taking off from
Yes.
that.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do usually. I drive you, but
Ah.
today you had mercy on me. Oh, I don't mind, and I should drive because I don't drive that much. It's like
You will pay later.
пушка. Настоящая пушка.
You will pay.
Настоящая ракушка. Бежит, что-то не обижается.
That's just keeping you entertained and smiling. We got married today and all this good stuff.
Engaged.
engaged? No, we got married.
Yeah, marriage. We need a wedding.
Oh,
Lots
this
of
is
guests.
that was the wedding.
Yeah. No.
Was it?
Uh-uh.
I thought that this was our wedding.
No. It was just a proposal.
Oh.
And then you'll invite all your 4,076,000 subscribers
Yes, they are like the witness.
to your wedding
They are
with
the,
me.
They are the witnesses.
And the most loyal will have like VIP passes.
Oh.
They'll be able to sit on our table. Acme, Yoshik, Acme.
Yes, I'm here. Now we're gonna bring you to the Acme shop.
I want more
Downy makes clothes softer,
vacation days.
fresher, and better.
Huh? Who?
We breathe life into your
I
laundry.
feel like, oh, by the way, this week is one day off on Juneteenth day, which is June 19th, and this is this Wednesday.
What is this?
Juneteenth?
Yeah.
It's about like I don't
I know
remember,
what
like,
it is.
abolishment of slavery, something like that. I don't
No,
know.
that's the LGBTQ.
No. It has something to do with the races,
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Like racial
I think it
stuff.
has to do with the identity problem.
No. It's not pride. It's
It is.
the race thing.
It's not the race. Juneteenth 19 is for the LGBTQC, EC, MISI, DBZ, GIRI, LMS, let's go. Right.
Federal holiday in the United States celebrated annually. Okay, give us more information because it's a relatively new holiday. And we
Yes,
don't
it is the LGBTQC.
know. Yeah, it's slavery.
Oh,
To commemorate the ending of slavery in the United States. Lights on. Make sure you do auto.
lights on.
Do auto. Don't turn them off, please.
Auto.
Yeah.
All right, now let's go to the nitty gritty of the shopping experience here.
Just start another video.
Oh,
Of course.
I think that's too much work. I have to turn the button once. I have to turn,
Because it's a completely different
but
format.
but every video has to be closed properly. Close it properly, quickly.
I'm closing the video properly. We are going to the store.
Okay.